Need to fix audio delay on BandLab. Now, in order to fix it, we first need to head over and open our BandLab. So you can click on this particular track that you wish to actually fix. And if it's actually experiencing some delay, what you can do is you can actually freeze that track and unfreeze it once you have done so. Other thing is to just click onto this track right here and make sure to delete this and then reapply it after that. So I have in here as well a help article or support article from BandLab themselves. So if you have delayed sounds either on microphone or audio recordings are lagging, you can try the latency test with your actual recording setup. Make sure to plug in your headphones, put your speakers right up to your microphone, and turn the volume up until the microphone can clearly pick up the speaker sound. And then after that, you should be able to run the latency test. Next thing is you have the lead sound on your microphone when using real-time monitoring. Try another pair of headphones and see if it actually works. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. If you got any questions, just comment down below.